Side has.
And Gor Mahia
Has got Tuisenge on the ball, he's rounded the goalkeeper. This is the easiest goal that Tuisenge has scored so far. The heat of the sun has also toned down. As here is Antonio trying to get the ball into the net. Madare's chance, well picked up, rounding up the goalkeeper, it's in the net. Lovely play by Madare. George kicks away a penalty to Madare. Nyakea puts it in the net. Nyakea scores. He's foot of it lifting. And a lot of history will go with that. No Tottenham higher to 31 internal. Is of course passing through the protocol until it gets to the one who will be presenting it to the captain. And the captain lifting it on behalf of course, the team. So Shekaba receives it from Raila Amolo Odinga, the Honorable former Right Prime Minister and the 2018 SportPesa Premier League champions, Gor Mahia, defending successfully their title and making it